Here goes nothing. Wholeness, family. It's your boy Spirit Light Body. Today, I'm going to be presenting the end of the flat earth and globe earth back and forth. Yo, check me out, y'all. All right. We need to unite, man. Like, we need to stop dividing over stuff that's so small because I'm going to show you the real flat earthers know that the foundation of the earth is what would be quote unquote flat. You see what I'm saying? And then there's also a spherical aspect to the cosmos as well, like which there's a celestial sphere that's over and around us. So here y'all can see the light, the magnetism, electricity. You can see how that combined, that symbol for light makes up everything. I showed you the stars and the way that you look. You see what I'm saying? Like, yo, all right, so check it. Everything comes from the womb, that black hole, right? The zero, which bursts the one, the light. Okay, and like I told you, there's a celestial sphere around us, but you can see the little eye in the ripple effect, right? You see what I'm saying? The zero and the one. Um, and then to really just demystify this thing and drive it home, that we gotta stop externalizing this stuff, y'all. Is you. You see how the different toruses are around the body? You see what I'm saying? How they show you with the electromagnetism, with the ripple effect, just like they showed you with the beetle and the goddess. You see what I'm saying? All these different torus fields are around us. You see what I'm saying? It's what makes up the entire reality. It's light. You see what I'm saying? Which is why they say it's an illusion. But it doesn't mean it's not real. It's just made of light. And as you can see, I showed y'all before, the body, you see what I'm saying? Again, the plane, they just square in the circle. But obviously, we know that, you know, how nature really works, you know, with the curved lines. And I've been showing y'all that too. And so we're just going to dig into depth of the correlation between man, the cosmos. You see what I'm saying? From micro to macro. You know, obviously us being the micro and then all of us together making up the macro. You see what I'm saying? Every human being has a torus field around their body. That's all that little 5-point star is with the, you know, the universal hexagram around it. Is you, just like this science right here. Now this is real science, like a Tesla coil, but again, you know, when you keep externalizing these ancient truths, you see what I'm saying? Like, yo, it's what loses you. Like, this is the body that also represents the spine right there. You can see the ripple effect in this thing, the eye. You see what I'm saying? Like, yo, it's you. Like I told you before, that the earth, right, the goddess, the great mother earth, is a giant toroidal field. Now notice those little patterns at the bottom there or whatever, like the I can't remember the name, the Tor something or whatever, which obviously Tor is the same root word, you know, the wheel rotates, you see what I'm saying? Yo, because it's spinning, you see what I'm saying? That's what they were showing you here, the true cosmology, the stairway, you see what I'm saying? Which is your spine, you see what I'm saying? This is you, man. Like, yo, like, we keep externalizing it again and you will be lost. Internalize, this is within. That's why Christ said the kingdom of heaven is within you, as above, so below. If it be true for below, then it's true for above. If it's true for above, then it's true for below. You see what I'm saying? Like, and that's why I showed y'all about the local light source of the sun. I'm not going to get into all that. You can watch other videos that I made about that. But, you know, so that's where all this stuff is coming from. And you can see how the ancestors personified the ripple effect in the top right. The basically that's the Buddhist cosmology. I should have had it zoomed up a little bit bigger, but you can find these pictures, or I can get you a link or whatever. I can get it to you, whatever, man, if you want to look at it. But you know, then again, the Earth Dome battery, that's real science, man. You can make Earth batteries. That one in the top right there, that's a magnetic Earth generator. That's based off of ancient cosmology. See, when you know the true shape of the Earth, that's how you can create a generator. I made one myself. I should have put it in this and showed y'all, but you know, y'all already know for the most part, you know, who really rock with me on here. And yeah, oh yeah, I'm gonna probably put this on my Instagram too, which I don't even know if I told y'all over here on YouTube I got an Instagram, but I do. If y'all are interested, I'll put it up there, put a link out or something for you. But again, you know, just showing you how, you know, man and cosmos is one and the same, and that's what they hiding from you. the real science here. You see what I'm saying? The tree of life. But obviously, again, that's your spine. The chakras going up your spine. You see what I'm saying? All this science is you. We can externalize it all we want, but that's why the temple said, know thyself. Because if you didn't, when you walked in there, you for surely weren't going to know yourself. And this next one, y'all, I want you to look at this. See, this is a projector. You see the 0 and the 1, the ripple effect. You see what I'm saying? Like if you inverted this and turned it around upside down, you would still basically get the ripple effect with the eye. You see what I'm saying? Or Tesla Tower's free energy is you, man. Like, yo, you're the energy generator, just like the earth, a mini version of the earth, the micro of the macro. Now look at this right here, y'all. I showed y'all this in my North Pole video about the poles, right? You see what, or about the pole, excuse me, the North Pole. The central point of creation, basically, which I'm gonna have a part 2 because I got some other good stuff coming behind that, y'all. Some good stuff. But I want you to see right here. Keep this image in your head. Now look at that. Now shout out to this brother right here because I screenshotted this from his YouTube channel where he actually does somatics. I've been talking about somatics on my channel for a while now. But y'all definitely need to check out his channel, and I'll leave a link over there. But look, ain't that the same thing? The central black hole in the middle and then the 4 lands around it. Everything is energy vibrating at different frequencies. And if you go study this man's channel, I think his name, how you say it, is David Skiameyer. Or Meyer, excuse me, bro, I didn't mean to mess your name up, but, you know, I'm trying to send people over there to study this work, because, boy, he only had, you know, like, so many views. I'm like, dude, this channel should be viral, man. Like, you know, but look at that, y'all. The bubble somatics. You see what I'm saying? Like, yo, like, and he literally vibrates this thing. Like, he shows you how weather modification can be reduplicated on a micro scale, micro to macro, baby. I'm telling you, it ain't a joke, y'all. This is the real deal. This is not a place, y'all. That's why I said this is the end of the flat earth, globe earth shit. This is not a place. You see what I'm saying? Like, yo, like, this is something that your consciousness chooses to exist in this construct, and it's being projected from within you, which is why science shows you that your reality is projected from you. You see what I'm saying? The occult, you know, that's how they do. The truth is always hidden in plain sight, man. And like I said, you know, you catch on to the symbology and you understand the energy and vibrations and the frequencies, and this stuff will start to make way more sense for you. But this last screenshot I caught on his channel, when I seen this, I had to pause it. I had to try several times, but look at that. You can't tell me that's not the electromagnetic torus I've been showing you. It's within, y'all. It's not external. You know what I'm saying? The earth is flat. It's a sphere. You see what I'm saying? Like, yo, it's all that, man. It's everything. This is your projection. It's coming from within you, man. Wholeness, y'all. Get back to self, man. Wholeness, wholeness, wholeness. I'm out.